So I've just finished the gym and I want to make a macro-friendly, protein-high mashup of anything I've got in the fridge. But first, I've got to make a quick apple for my little girl. Right, sorry, where were we? Right, chicken breast into a bowl, added some dragon salt. It's from Tubby Tom's. Trust me, you want to get this stuff. It is incredible. You want to get yourself a carrot and some peas and then grate them up. Not the peas, though. Now, you could use super noodles, but I've got these amazing 60p ones from Tesco's, and they are hot and spicy. Damn, these meatballs are insane. I feel like I've died and gone to MSG heaven. Right, let's check on the noodles. They're noodling nicely, so it's time to plate up. Get your broth and your noodles into a bowl, add all of your meatballs, then put garnish with some spring onions and some coriander, and if you're hard, add some red chilies. And boom, there you have it, gym-friendly, fridge-rated noodles.